Hey everybody, it's Dr. Jensen. I thought I'd give you a quick video showing you how to complete week 1 and also show you how to find your assignments and navigate to everything. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the class, Research Methods in Criminology. So this is your main page. You can use the modules box here in the middle, or you can use any of these links that will take you to each week where we're going to work. Okay, if you click on the Start button, this will take you to our welcome video and our course overview. It also gives you my information and communication with my phone number and the messaging tool and all those kinds of things. So that's where you'll find that information. But let's go back using the Home tab, or you can click backwards in your breadcrumbs at the top, all the way back home. So let's take you to week 1. So I'm just going to click on Introduction to Social Research. Here's Module 1. And here's the module page. So you always have kind of a module page explaining what we're doing for the week, and then you have tabs here at the bottom, and you're going to work from left to right. So first we have our objectives, then we have readings, videos that you'll need to watch, and you need to look these over for your assignments and labs, and then finally assignments. Okay, so that's kind of how each week is going to go. So for week 1, we have assignment 1, getting started. And you need to do a getting to know you discussion post video. And yes, I watch every single video that my students send me. You also have a plagiarism assignment that you need to take. These are all linked, so once you click on them, they will take you to each item and instructions on how to complete that item and where to submit. Okay, so it's all built there for you. Let me show you how the class starts to change in week 2. So I'm going to go back home to the main course page. And then in here, let's go to week 2, Criminal Justice Research. This is module 2. So here's this page. And again, we have our tabs at the bottom with objectives, readings, videos, and assignments. It says there's none for this week. So go to the lab tab. There's a new tab you didn't see before. This is where you start your very first lab for the class. And these labs are built into the kind of assignments and quizzes part of Canvas, so you can actually do your lab and put the answers in as you go. If you have to walk away and you need the stuff you've already completed to save, it automatically saves in Canvas. So let's say you're doing your lab and you've been working for about 30 minutes and you want to go have dinner or you need to step away, it will save the stuff you've done. So even if you sign out or your computer goes to sleep or you lose power, it should have saved already, so you can not have to do the lab in one continuous sitting. That being said, I'd recommend that you try to do your lab kind of in one sitting though, because it's easier to follow and you'll probably get done faster. So that way you don't have to wonder where you left off and get confused or disorganized that way. So that's essentially what the class is going to look like. Okay, let me show you a few other things that are good to know. It will save you time. Okay, so I'm going back to the main page here. Another thing you want to see is there is a button for syllabus, so you can check the syllabus and any of that information you need as far as grading and requirements and points and things are all in there. But this other area you might ignore. You're probably going to need this for class at one point or another. It's called data sets. It's right in the middle of the page. When you click on it, this is a little page that gives you data. So we're going to use data in labs, and we also use data for your final paper. So all of these little areas are tabs that have files for you to use. Okay, so this is where you can go get those files and use them for your paper. So these are all publicly available data sets that I've provided for your use. Okay, and they have code books and files, and you'll learn what a code book is and a data set is as we get into class. But these are where these files exist, is in this class. Okay. So I think that gives you a good overview as to what week 1 is going to look like. If you have any questions, please let me know. I am available, and I hope you enjoy the class. Reach out, email, and I look forward to seeing your Getting to Know You videos. Bye-bye.